Tune Up Thursday message.
Grand afternoon, honey. The enemy don't want y'all to get this message on today. So here we go. Third time's a charm. This message is coming from my Yin Yang Oracle deck. There are 6 cards out, and of course the bottom card makes 7. Let's go to the Angel Numbers book to see what the number 7 entails. Number 7 says not to fear. Do not let fear control you. Learning and growing come with new contexts and opportunities. You are feeling called to do new things without always knowing whom or what you can trust. Seeing this number reminds you to be spontaneous and courageous, but also smart and cautious. It's okay to have a backup plan. When you see this number, create a list of what you are scared of and what you can do to mitigate those fears. The first card out is South Node, comfort zone and clinging. You need to stop clinging to your comfortability. That is just going to keep you stagnant, stuck. And that is not a place you want to be. You want to move forward. You want to get better. You want to grow. Your second card is limitation and fears. Limitation and fears. Stop putting limitations on yourself because you are afraid. Sometimes you have to move in discomfort in order to advance. Honey, if you don't like where you at, you're going to get your ass. Again, as I was saying before someone interrupted by calling, if you do not like where you are, you will get your ass up and do what's necessary to move out of that place. So stop putting limitations on yourself because you are afraid. Your third card is spy inspecting. Stop being paranoid. Ain't nobody spying on you. Ain't nobody watching you. But it is time for you to go within and inspect. Right now, you are sitting in your spy energy. You are the spy. Because you're watching so hard trying to see if the enemy is coming that you lose sight of what you need to be doing. In order to manifest your vision. So, inspect, go within and inspect yourself to see how and where you can be better. Your fourth card is facade and belief. Facade and beliefs. Take the mask off. Stop hiding behind that facade. Your beliefs are valid. They are valid, but you are afraid to embrace the change and let the world see your authentic self. You will remain stuck until you show up. You must show up. Let us see who you are. We will embrace you. Trust that God has you. You're not going to be everybody's cup of tea. But everybody you're meant to connect with, everybody you're meant to encourage, are going to gravitate to you. Your fifth card is Pluto. Pluto represents transformation. So stop moving in fear and move in that Pluto energy. Embrace your transformation. Stop fighting it. It is always easier to go with the current as opposed to against the current. You will struggle as long as you try to swim against the current. Go with it. Eventually, you're going to hit land. You're going to reach out and touch something tangible that you can hold on to. And you can see where all your energy went and what it manifested. Your sixth card is thought and isolation. Thought and isolation. Isolation is needed right now for you. So sit with your thoughts and take advantage of this time to work on yourself spiritually. Get grounded. Realign everything that's out of alignment in your life to make it easier for you to move closer to manifestations of your vision. Your bottom message is action, courage, Jupiter, beginnings. Action, courage, Jupiter, and beginnings. Whew, baby. Because you had the courage to take the necessary actions for your growth, you will emerge from that isolation in your Jupiter energy. And that is a good place to be. This is where multiple new beginnings will most certainly start for you. You can see them. You can see them, and you're going to know it's because you are in alignment. You are attuned to the divine. And you're going to love it there in that place. But don't get too comfortable. Don't get so comfortable that you revert back to being stagnant because you're comfortable. Enjoy the comfortability, but keep doing the work. Keep working on yourself. Keep getting better. Keep allowing yourself to grow. This is a daily task, family. It's a daily task. You have to work on yourself every day. Every day. Reinforce your strength. Regenerate your battery. Recharge yourself. You must continue to do the work. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, this is the part where I say, if you have not heard it today, allow me to be the first to tell you I love you and I do it all for free, sugars. All of it. All of it, all of it, all of it. Take all you need that resonates with you. Everything else, leave it on the shelf for someone else. Please, kindly share this message out so it can reach the masses that need to hear this message on today. Come back as often as you must. And thank you for taking the time to listen. So, until next time, peace. And have a terrific Tune-Up Thursday.